If you're seeing this video, that means I have passed away and am no longer on this earth. God dang it, not again. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the official Managing Success YouTube channel, and today we have yet another shooting compilation. Now again, at time of this video's release, I am not here. I am in the desert sweating my balls off. So I hope you guys enjoy this video while I'm sweating my balls off in the desert. Again, it's nothing too crazy. It's just me shooting a couple guns and then showing it to you guys, and you get to see how bad I shoot. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into it. So the first gun that we're going to be shooting today is the good old AR-15. Again, this is an Anderson Arms AR-15, really nice rifle. I always enjoy shooting it. Again, great rifle to shoot. So I hope you enjoy the footage. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it.
I think so. Yeah. Oh, I don't know, maybe. My first bullet on the other one didn't fire. I checked it just to make sure because I was pretty
sure. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your friendly public service announcement reminding you to subscribe to the official Managing Success YouTube channel in order to make sure your success in life. Now, with that being said, hope you enjoy the rest of the video whilst you're hiding from your boss. Now, for all of you that are avid viewers of this channel, you all know how much I love to shoot my Ruger 9mm caliber carbine, and that is what I shot next. So, nothing too crazy. Again, a lot of fun to shoot. Always look for a reason to shoot this rifle or PCC. So, without further ado, go ahead and get into the montage. That's been like that for a while.
Just making sure.
So overall, yet again, I had a lot of fun shooting these guns. Now, if I didn't have a lot of fun shooting these guns, obviously I wouldn't do any of this. So that goes without saying. But again, very, very positive shooting experience, both here at my local range and then at a friend's range as well for the AR. So with that being said, this concludes the shooting montage. I am your host, the dumbass in a green beret this time, and I hope you all liked the video. Make sure you like it, subscribe with those post notifications on in order to ensure your success in life, because if you're not successful, then you just suck. Sucking is bad, and I don't want you all to suck. So with that being said, hope you all have a good night, and I'll see you all in the next one when I get back from the desert.